Hello everyone, this is Jeff from Real-Time Machinery. Today we are going to show you how to use the fully CNC pipe bending machine to bend a profile. And firstly, we customize molds according to the profile shape. And you can see the machine head combined with the gearbox. And come here, we can see the panel. You can see the controller, the PLC. It's made from Taiwan, and you can see we can choose the language we use, and we can customize any language, including English, Russian, and any other languages. For example, we use English. This is manual mode for commissioning, and we can set programs here. Here in YBC, just every length, speed and length here. And the next we just use the auto run here. Click start, and we use full switch to click, and we can start.